Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll attempt to sketch this lovely portrait of Madhuri Dixit. I'll be using charcoal powder and pencil for this sketch. Actually, this is my first time using charcoal. You see, I'm not a professional artist. I try to do it by mere observation and lots of practice. I'll try to share with you all my experience with this sketch regarding how I try to do it. Please excuse my mistakes. Observing the reference image properly is of prime importance. I usually spend 5 minutes just observing the reference image. So what I feel is important in the sketch is the hair, the direction and the pattern of the hair, the curls. And of course, the most important thing is a $1 million smile. The smile will decide the outcome of the sketch. Here are the materials I've used for this sketch. This is charcoal powder. These are charcoal pencils. This is black soft charcoal pencil and this is white charcoal pencil. Then these are the woodless charcoal pencils. These are paper stumps which are used for blending. And these are different sizes of makeup brush. They are pretty cheap. They can also be used for blending and for applying charcoal powder. The various erasers I've used here are the kneadable eraser, Tombow mono eraser with round tip and an electric eraser. I've done the outline here with the help of grid method. In case you want a tutorial on that, I'm leaving a link in the I button in the description. So we start by applying some charcoal powder in the area of hair. The areas which are very dark, I'm applying more layers and more density of powder. For blending this charcoal powder, we can use a brush or a tissue or cotton. Now I'm using a Tombow eraser to give highlights in the reflective areas. The direction of the highlights here is very important. It will simulate the pattern in which the hair is curling and also the reflective areas. After giving the highlights, then the ends of the highlights I'm merging it with a brush so that it becomes slightly homogeneous. With the help of a woodless charcoal stick, I am defining the dark areas much better. Certain areas of highlight which are extremely reflective can be done at the end with a white charcoal pencil. So following the same technique, I'm doing the entire section of hair. So this is how it looks after I've completed the hair section. Of course, final finishing and final touch-ups will be done towards the end. While doing the eyes, I have used the charcoal pencil to mark the outlines, specifically the upper outline and the outline of eyeball and the iris. I have used paper stumps here for blending. I've tried to keep pencil strokes here to bare minimum, and I have used blending tips with tips coated with charcoal powder to do most of the work. So because of this, the final outcome will appear a bit smoother than as compared to pencil strokes. Similarly, I've done the other eye also, and the shadow besides the eye I've used charcoal powder and brush again. So this is how it looks after we have completed the section of hair and eyes. We'll continue this sketch in the next part of the video. I hope you liked the sketch up till here. Please do hit the like button if you have. Also share and subscribe to our channel. We'll complete this sketch in the upcoming video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.